Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how I 3D print my Roblox files because just had a friend ask me and I thought this would be a cool idea to prove that I'm not dead. So first you want to open Roblox Studio, which I already have a Roblox Studio open, but you can do anything. You're not going to save your progress, so any world you have is fine. So here's my Roblox Studio, and then you're going to need to download this plugin, which I can find it if I can link it in the description. It is the Load Character plugin by Already Pro. If I can't, well, I can't fit it in the screen. I changed it so the Already Pro's character plugin. I'll leave it in the description again. And then you will type in your name, or just anyone. You can use any item in the catalog as long as you know someone who's wearing it. So like, you don't have to own the item, just as long as you know someone who is wearing the item. So then you can just spawn them in. It doesn't matter if it's R6 or R15, either one. Oh, okay. So now that you have their character open, oof, my thing is being super weird today. So once you have them open, you want to go to the side where you see their name and go down and find where it says the item you're trying to print. In this case, I'm printing the kitten beret. You want to Control-C, Control-V to copy and paste it. And you can just move that around, and then you can delete a model. You're done with her. So then what you're going to do is find the model on the side in the Explore tab, right-click on it, and hit Export Selection. And then you can save it as anything, which I've already saved it, so I'm not going to save it, but this is the part where you would save it. But make sure to save it under 3D Objects and nowhere else, so it's easier to find. And then you want to open the 3D software they use to process your files, which I use Kira. So I'm going to go and I'm going to open the file, which should be this one. And most of the time it's extremely off scale and somewhere else, like this. So for me, the files are either super big or super small, and in this case it was super big and I just moved it to the center. And you're obviously going to need to scale it down because this will probably be a nightmare to print, so I'm just going to scale it down, let's say to 2000, and there's a more reasonable size. And then I would recommend putting it on where the flat side, the bottom here, you're probably not going to see as much, to move that to the bottom so that it doesn't, the pieces from the support do not get like all of the sides. And then you pretty much should just change the infill to how much you want in the support, and then you can print it like you normally would. And that's how I print all my files. Just keep in mind some files print better than others because this certain Roblox hat didn't print well for me at all. The Space Cat hat, which, let me find it just in case you guys were wondering. So this hat here didn't really print for me as well. I have it, but the whiskers didn't print, and neither did the back of the head. But it was still manageable, and with, a bit of crafting, I was able to get it to look like that. Yeah, so that is all, and that is how I print my Roblox models. I hope this proves I'm not dead, and maybe I'll make another video. I don't know. Bye bye!